What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are having a fantastic day. I'm having a pretty average day because it's 108 degrees right now. If you missed yesterday's video, you got to check that out. I saw how long you could actually last in a hot car if you are trapped inside. Please never attempt that. The car behind me, we've got a new generation Ford F-150. Now, Alex, who has the M2 and the Golf R, after having this as a loaner car for a bit, is deciding something crazy. He's thinking about replacing the Golf R with a new Raptor as a daily driver. I've been looking at Raptors for a while, so we're gonna head over to Galpin Ford and check some out. But we got James in the Z06 up there, Alex in the passenger seat. We are headed out. I actually can't believe how hot it is. My Mercedes says it's 110 degrees right now on the dash, but I'm excited. I haven't driven a Ford Raptor in a long time. The last time, actually, it was in the winter time in Michigan. I pulled up alongside James to do a little pull, and we both noticed it's 115 degrees out. And as you guys know, the C7 Z06 had some overheating problems. That's in more normal temperatures, so at 115 degrees, it's not happening. Well, I didn't have my radar on that whole time. That was useful. Sick. We are showing up to a Ford dealership in a Chevy and a Mercedes. Touche. Let's do it. I don't know what this is with American companies and packages. So the one he wants, the package on the Raptor, is called 802A. It comes with a torsion differential, 360 camera, and a bunch of features, but why not call it something that people actually will remember? Like on the new ZR1, you got the 3ZL package and the 2ZL. Why not just like base, premium, performance?
Parker. No worries. Alex.
Nice to meet you guys. I have two blacks, a lead foot, and I believe the guard, but they were working on the guard. So if you want to check that one out, we can walk over to the other lot and see what's possible.
Yeah, I'm here to look around.
Yeah.
See like what's kind of available. Yeah, no, I like
It all
this.
just fit in the back of that.
And I like that I could just pop this up and have like my dog chill here. You know?
So let's go to my alternate lot. We'll fit all of us. Yeah. And then we'll take a spin to my other lot, and that's where we'll have all the inventory and be able to see car. We'll take it for a spin and go from there.
Sweet. I feel like I'm in a Salamandran video right now. I'm positive. I haven't talked to him about this, but there's no chance that that new Mustang GT was painted that color or wrapped that color without Alejandro. Honestly, we just went here because I know friends have had good experiences, but look at this. I mean, what other Ford dealer literally has two 05, 06 Ford GTs just chilling? Can you imagine if I spent the time to go all the way around that? Dude, they have a Starbucks in here. This is some serious business.
We have kids, we have full-time nannies, 36 of them.
Yeah.
Fully trained from
I got the McDonald's playpen.
Nice to meet you.
And hello to the cameraman. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. So sick. We need some Lotus reviews on the channel. Apparently this one's track only. Looks like, here, look, I can just, look how much knowledge I have. 2016 Exige V6 Cup, but man, that's sick. I've never seen the entrance to a showroom or any showroom that looks like a bank vault, but here we go. This is where the Astons are at.
So if you buy a car from us, you get one of these at the time of purchase, and you can get it at service as well. This is your waiting area and where you do all that paperwork you guys were just talking about. So go on inside. The leather that's in the couches is all the same that's in the car. So everything in this room is spec to Aston Martin. The walls are even suede. So it's the same suede that they use.
Oh my god. Oh, that feels nice.
Literally
James Bond. I came and saw that and the bank vault.
Yeah. So it's like the barrel, the end of the barrel, the gun when it starts.
This is when you regret buying an E63 as a daily instead of a DB11. I was unaware of this James Bondness. So something that Ivan told me that's really cool, a very easy way to tell between V12s and V8s with Aston Martins. They obviously make the V8 Vantage, that's the normal Vantage. They also make the V12. If you have 4 vents on the hood like we have here, that means that's the V12 DB11. This is the V12 Vantage. And this thing even has a manual transmission. Check this out. This is a rare thing in cars these days. 7-speed manual V12 Vantage with a convertible. Galpin, I think we need to do a review on this thing. I love the frickin' E63, but I think I messed up. I mean, I just love this room, honestly. And the DB11, obviously, a beautiful car. Yeah, this is sick. Yo, does this have the 802B though? It does, it does.
802A.
802A, excuse me. So what is the normal markup versus the Alejandro hookup Parker video production?
So the average price that I sell the Raptor for over is $2,500. That's average.
Yeah.
With Alejandro, you would be way less.
Yeah.
The most expensive I've ever done was a Roush Raptor, which is that's coming up right there.
That is so sick. Get a shot of that, dude.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Like if I honestly just order one and pay $2,000 to ship it, then I can just grab one from anywhere else.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to come here and
I
see
had
it,
a customer that did that, and I can give you his phone number so you can see that I'm not BSing you. He had the same issue. He's like, well, I'm gonna buy it out of state. The car showed up, it was rusted in the bottom.
Yeah, I know, I'm sure.
So you'll have, it's very doable, but there is.
Even for $6,000 over, I can get an airplane ticket, fly out for a week, inspect the car, drive it around, maybe go to like SeaWorld or something like that, and then come back.
One thing that Ford has been doing, and I'm not sure if I love it or not, is these airbag seatbelts. It makes sense, it's a lot safer, but they are kind of like...
It feels just like the M2 when you look out the rear and you see like fat fenders.
The world's first comparison of an M2 and an F-150 Raptor, ladies and gentlemen.
That sounds good.
We also have 5 people in it.
Yeah.
But it sounds good, yeah.
Should be able to haul 5 people. Should be able to haul 5 people in a boat.
Yo, Alex, just send it straight out that jump. Do you see that?
Yeah, I got you, boys.
Right there.
If you are stuck in mud, if you're stuck in snow, if you're stuck in any kind of situation where this car you'd want to be in, the V6 EcoBoost is going to be much better. Off the line, because of no turbo lag, the V8 is going to be the best way to go.
Gotcha.
I like the EcoBoost. You have more torque, you can tow more, you can have more fun with it, you have more gears, and it's fuel efficient. So, you know, it's something weird to say.
Grand Spam.
That is sexy.
Yeah, that's
good color. All right, dude, what'd you think of this beast?
Dude, it's sick. It drives a lot smaller than I thought it would. I thought it would be really wide and kind of hard to keep in a lane, but that was pretty easy. I thought it'd be a little more torquey low end. When I punched it, it definitely was like a little slower, but you were saying with the Hennessy.
You can definitely tune it to be a lot faster. I mean, 450 horsepower is quick, but it's obviously a heavy truck.
Yeah.
But this would be a sick daily. I mean, this is the ultimate LA daily driver.
Yeah, definitely, especially if we started using it more for purpose, like take it out on the weekends with Malcolm.
Yeah, we gotta do that. We gotta do that.
Then it'd be sick.
Just finished up at Galpin. We're now going to go to the UPS store to get Frankie's computer and drone. Now, I had a drone a long time ago. Unfortunately, I crashed it. It hasn't been present on the channel, but I really want for reviews. And trust me, we've got some sick reviews coming up on the channel. To have some aerial shots, let's get that thing, mess around with it. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, my neck! Ow! Ow!
Oh!